Welcome everyone, I am Maxime, your dedicated saunas consultant from Usipert's company. Embrace the Nordic Oasis, FIESTA Sauna, where impeccable design and innovative technology combine to create a sauna experience like no other. Let's explore the technical details of this remarkable sauna, including its dimensions, construction materials, insulation, and interior features. The FIESTA Sauna, measuring 6 meters in length and 3 meters in width, adheres to standard dimensions for the FIESTA model, ensuring a spacious and comfortable sauna experience. To provide optimal insulation, the sauna is constructed using frame technology and features 50 millimeters thick, Paroc stone wool insulation. This ensures that the sauna retains heat effectively and creates a cozy environment for relaxation. The exterior of the sauna is adorned with 20 by 120 millimeters spruce siding, coated in a remarkable color that exudes warmth and nobility. This color resembles the rich shade of palisander or redwood and is achieved through the application of HK Lasur, a premium-class decorative wood glaze from Remmers. HK Lasur not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the sauna, but also offers excellent protective properties, penetrating the wood effectively and providing a slight gloss. Now, let's shift our focus to the roofing of the FIESTA Sistema Sauna. For the roofing material, we utilize flexible Tectonicol shingles in a brown color, perfectly aligned with the standard configuration of the FIESTA Sistema 3x6 model. These roofing shingles offer durability and weather resistance, ensuring the longevity of your sauna. As you enter the sauna, you'll be greeted by sliding doors on both sides, featuring tempered glass that enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of the sauna. These doors provide a seamless connection between the interior and the surrounding environment, allowing natural light to flood the space. Inside the FIESTA Sistema Sauna, the relaxation room awaits you, offering dimensions of 2600 millimeters by 2800 millimeters. This spacious interior ensures ample room for you to unwind and find tranquility. Now let's delve into the details of the sauna's flooring. The floor consists of twisted floorboards with grooves, measuring 28 millimeters in thickness. It is insulated with 50 millimeters of foam polystyrene and covered with a diffusion film. The floor is supported by a double floor frame, measuring 45 millimeters by 70 millimeters, ensuring stability and durability. Within the sauna, you'll discover a panoramic window, measuring 480 millimeters by 480 millimeters. This window, a standard inclusion in the basic configuration of the FIESTA Sistema Sauna, allows you to enjoy breathtaking views while immersing yourself in the sauna experience. The sauna itself boasts a planed spruce frame, measuring 43 millimeters by 43 millimeters, ensuring structural integrity and longevity. The frame is further enhanced with 50 millimeters thick Paroc stone wool insulation and a light-reflecting film, promoting efficient heat distribution within the sauna. Both the interior and exterior walls of the sauna are crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The interior walls are covered with Class A black alder siding, providing a visually appealing and durable finish. They are coated with a colorless Tikkurila wood stain from Finland, adding a touch of elegance to the sauna's interior. The exterior walls are made of Class A planed spruce and coated with white Tikkurila wood stain, creating a harmonious blend of aesthetics and durability. To ensure a safe and enjoyable sauna experience, the FIESTA Sistema Sauna is equipped with either a Termofor stove or an electric sauna heater, Harvia Cilindro Heat. Both options comply with fire safety requirements, allowing you to relax with peace of mind. Additionally, the sauna includes Harvia sauna stones from Finland and a chimney that meets all fire safety regulations. The FIESTA Sauna is a wise investment for both your well-being and property. Beyond being a sauna, it represents an oasis of relaxation, a sanctuary to unwind, rejuvenate, and connect with nature. With its warm colors, natural materials, and impeccable design, it provides the perfect setting for indulging in sauna rituals with comfort and style. Discover the ultimate retreat that not only enriches your life but also presents a lucrative business opportunity. The FIESTA Sauna embodies the perfect combination of technical excellence, design sophistication, and luxurious comfort. It invites you to indulge in the ultimate sauna experience, where relaxation and rejuvenation await. For more information or to explore the possibilities of owning a Fiesta Sistema sauna, please reach out to us.